Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Welcome to the One Funnel Away Challenge unboxing. Hey, I'm Jeff Mays and this is my grandson TJ Mays.
Hi!
I brought him along today because when I got this box it said stop. You need to do an unboxing challenge. And I don't know anybody better at unboxing than
me.
TJ. So here we are. We're going to unbox this One Funnel Away Challenge right here in front of you for the first time. This is pretty cool. I've been really excited about getting this box. It came in the mail today, and I was so excited I called TJ and said, TJ, you got to come hang out with me and help me with this. So here we are. We're going to open it up. I've got it cut. I'm just going to open it up, and boom! What's in here?
So we have this.
A $100 bill. This is Russell Brunson $100 bill. Isn't that cool? It says if I invite other people to the One Funnel Challenge, I get a bonus, $100 bonus. That's pretty cool. We're going to do that, aren't we? What else have you got, TJ? This thing. What is this thing? This is how would you like to earn $100 every time somebody joins the One Funnel Away Challenge? Yay! That's cool. We're going to post this on YouTube. We're going to post it on our website and even Facebook. Facebook too. Isn't that cool? What else you got in there, T-Man?
So we have this guy.
A book. That's the book. This is the One Funnel Away Challenge book. This is 30 days from Russell Brunson and ClickFunnels. How to make this whole thing work. I'm so excited about this. You know, I got into ClickFunnels a few months ago. I haven't done a whole lot with it, but now I'm getting ready to do it. I'm launching my coaching business. I'm going to get this going. This is so cool. Are you going to help me with this, TJ?
Yay!
Yay! Thank you, TJ. I love the red stuff. What else is in there, buddy?
This,
Oh, an MP3 player. Oh, this is so cool. Look at this. You can plug this in and listen to it in your car. You can plug it in and listen to it when you're out walking. You can listen to the lessons. You can have some fun with it. And look at this. You can even have red hair with it. Isn't that so cool? I gotta love this. The One Funnel Away Challenge. It's so exciting. What else you got, buddy?
this.
Oh, what is it? It's a coaching book. It says get started at 2 Comma Club Coaching. How many commas are there in $1 million?
2.
2 commas. Yes. So this is about making over $1 million with your funnel. I am so excited about this coaching. It's going to be fueled by business you build, right? It says that right on the book. I didn't make that up. Anyway, it's really cool. It's going to be fun. I can't wait to understand the secrets and understand how to be part of the 2 Comma Club. Wow. Okay.
Then we have this guy.
Oh my gosh. This is it. This looks like the real thing. This is the coaching book. And I'll tell you, what I can see here is going to help me a lot. When you start looking at the stuff in here, it's broken out by missions. It's got pre-training. It's got week 1. I'm going to get going on this pre-training tonight. And then Monday, when the challenge starts, are you going to be here to help me?
When?
Tonight. We start the pre-training.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, awesome. TJ and I are going to do this. What else you got, buddy?
All we have is this.
A foam block. Wow, isn't that the coolest thing in the box right there? Make a drum out of it. You can make a frisbee out of it. Okay, that was the unboxing for the One Funnel Away Challenge. Thanks for joining us. I hope you have as much fun as we do with this challenge.
Bye.
Bye.